It's time to reveal all the Knorr kitchen secrets in partnership with you. If you know, you Knorr. A cooking show where beginner cooks are challenged to create simple, delicious, and exciting dishes, even with verbal instructions only. With your host, me, Abi Marquez, and our special guest, Julia Barretto.
Hi guys, my name is Julia Barretto and I'm an actress. The show is called Secret Ingredient. I play Chef Maya. So the Secret Ingredient is all about food and a little bit of love story. Secret Ingredient was, first of all, a global series and then being able to work with like an Indonesian actor who's Nicholas and then a Korean actor who's LSH. So I think that was quite an experience for me. Out of 10, I rate myself 6. I think 6 is more like fun cooking for yourself and then maybe for your friends and your loved ones. I think this is more just like trusting yourself. I'm just acting this confident, but I'm really not sure. It might be messy.
Welcome, Julia, to Knorr Kitchen Secrets!
Thank you very much.
Yes, from one beautiful person in the kitchen, dalawa na kami ngayon! Julia, balita ko, nag-training ka for your series.
Yes, for Secret Ingredient, only on View.
And what was your biggest takeaway from doing a cooking series?
Mas na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga tao na nasa kitchen. Na-witness ko siya, nakita ko kung paano nila piniprep. It's work.
So for today's challenge, we are making 2 dishes. A 1-pan meal with pork Samgyupsal Bowl. And the second one is a 10-minute meal, Korean egg drop sandwich. So it's gonna be easy. We made sure these are an if you know recipes because it's simple, delicious, exciting. Meron kang 1 secret silip.
Yeah.
If feel mo medyo lost ka na.
I'm not sure if it's gonna be as good as yours and as pretty as yours, but I want to give myself a chance, so I'll be confident.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So Julia, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's cook.
Let's cook.
So step 1, kunin muna natin ang secret ingredient. For step 1, we're going to marinate the pork. We're using Knorr Korean-style barbecue sauce. No need to go to Korea when you can travel through your taste buds. Get your clear glass bowl and combine thinly sliced pork for that samgyup feel. Just pour your preferred amount of Knorr Korean-style barbecue sauce. It's sweet, a little savory.
I love that.
We can set this aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And we can do the rest of the procedure. We're going to cook on high heat. Mag-pour ka lang ng cooking oil into your pan. Add the rice. So, ang goal lang natin dito ay i-toast yung rice and make sure each grain is fluffy and covered in oil. Are you doing good?
Dear, ang lakas!
If you know, you Knorr tip why chefs toss their rice like this.
Why?
Is you want to fluff up the rice para mas maging lighter siya.
Wag na, okay na to.
And just transfer the rice. Next, we're going to fry an egg over high heat and then add just a little bit oil, mga 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then carefully crack your eggs onto the pan. Julia, let's go. We're just frying an egg. Wait, kamusta ang yolk mo? Did it break?
Yeah, a little. The most simple thing is like the hardest thing for me right now.
Season it with salt. So when your egg is done, you can slide it on top of your rice.
Oh my God!
Yes.
They will know that this is mine.
With the same pan, let's proceed to step 2, which is frying your marinated pork. Over medium to high heat, place your pork belly strips into the pan. Mabilis lang siya magba-brown because the marinade has some sweetness to it or sugar. So, it will allow the pork to get that glossy caramelization. Another, if you know, Knorr tip, if you want to brown the meat, wag mo siyang galaw-galawin. As much as possible, flip only once. Put this on top of the rice as well.
Okay, I think pwede na yung akin. Medyo mukhang sunog na siya. Thank you very much.
Let's proceed with step number 3, which is assembling the bowl. Hiwa natin yung carrot. So, ang gusto nating shape dito ay parang matchsticks. Julienne.
Parang tinuro sa amin to sa school.
Yes. Let's do the same thing with the cucumber. One last, yung green onions natin. Ang importante lang naman when you're cutting is uniform sila. Season your carrots, cucumber, and yung bean sprouts with just a bit of sesame oil and salt. Mix your vegetables around para lahat coated. Just decorate your plate with the vegetables. So what else do we have?
Kimchi.
I think I'm done.
I think I'm done too.
Yes?
Can I check na yours?
Oh, yun! Julia, halika dito. Yes, this is mine.
This is the secret silip. Hindi na siya secret. Silip na silip ko na siya. At na-realize ko, sobrang undercooked ng meat ko. Malay mo, masarap naman.
Lagyan natin ng Knorr liquid seasoning para sa papatak sarap. And that is it. This is your one-pan meal pork samgyup bowl. For our next dish, let's make the Korean egg drop sandwich. This is 10 minutes strictly. Timer ready? Let's go.
Okay, go.
Open your stove. Low heat lang tayo. And while that is preheating, kuha ka ng 2 pieces of bread and then just spread some butter with a small knife dun sa outside ng bread. Place mo lang siya sa pan and toast the bread. I prefer doing this para yung outside crispy pero yung inside ng bread medyo soft pa siya. When it looks nice, flip mo na. Ilalagay lang natin yung bread dun sa box. Then set that aside. Tapos, balik tayo sa heat.
Okay.
And meron tayo dyang ham na slice. Iwa-warm up lang natin siya over the pan. You can put it back on its plate. Let's proceed to step 2, which is cook the eggs. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs. Season your egg with salt and a little bit of sugar, like a pinch lang. And, ano nangyari?
Yung pininch ko yung salt, yung dinamihan ko yung sugar!
Oh my God! You know what? Okay lang yan.
Malay mo, may natutunan pa tayong new invention today.
I love the optimism.
Yeah, we gotta be positive, guys.
And make sure to add your milk also. Whisk this until it's smooth and frothy. Low to medium heat. Melt lang tayo ng butter. Pour natin itong egg. You stir it a lot with your spatula. And then you kind of scrape the sides kapag may nabubuo na doon. Kapag medyo 75% of the egg is solid na or firm na, you can turn off the heat and cook the egg with the remaining heat dun sa pan. Let's proceed to step number 3, which is assembling the sandwich. Kunin mo na ulit yung bread mo, then open it up, grab a piece of lettuce, and then get some cheese.
Okay.
Then next would be tomatoes. Add as much as you like. I'll add 2. So use your spatula. Okay, drop your eggs into the slit of the bread. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then, add natin yung ham on the side para kita pa rin yung egg. And what makes this sandwich really creamy and delicious is ang ating dressing with the secret ingredient. Now, Julia,
Yeah?
gawin natin ang ating mayo dressing. We'll start with Lady's Choice Real Mayonnaise. Add some condensed milk to your mayonnaise.
Ooh,
Nandyan,
ganon?
makikita mo. And season it with a little bit of salt. So mix the mayo and the condensed milk together. Here's my, if you know, Knorr tip. Gagawa tayo ng DIY piping bag. We have a Ziploc bag. Tapos, itatransfer natin dito yung mayonnaise mixture natin. Grab your scissors.
Okay,
Tapos,
grab scissors.
cut a very small hole.
Shucks, ganun pala yun. I learned something today.
Diba? Ang galing. Drizzle lang natin yung top with our mayonnaise. Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hands up, Julia. Let's go. Yes? We're done?
We're done.
Now we're done cooking. It's time to taste our dishes. Julia, how do you feel?
It's not the best. Maybe it's yummy.
Nagdi-disclaimer siya agad, guys.
Sobrang defensive.
Oh my God. Reveal.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Wow sa'yo.
Hindi siya parehas, but still looks good.
Might be good. Ang ganda nung sa'yo.
I know, right?
Do I try yours and you try mine? Or
Sige.
Kasi I don't want to try mine eh.
Okay.
Girl!
Teka lang!
Girl!
Wait, wag mo i-spoil!
Ang sarap! Ang totoo ha.
It's good. I love how balanced it is. You get sweetness from the pork. Kasi we used a ready-made marinade. We just had to put it with the pork.
Right.
And you get instant delicious results. Crunch, nuttiness from sesame oil,
Yeah.
creaminess from the runny yolk.
Yeah.
So good and fulfilling.
Everything she said is so on point.
Toast!
Toast? The toast.
Toast!
Shows I'm so excited.
Sarap!
It's so hard to believe that you like it.
It's so good. It's giving creamy, cheesy,
Yeah.
a little sweet. I think yung eggs mo, it's a happy accident. It's so balanced.
Yeah.
It's rich and flavorful.
Yeah.
The mayo really binds them all together.
Yeah. It's messy, but it's good.
You did really well.
I think you guided me really well.
Thanks. Okay.
I think we're a good combination. Ganito ko siya describe. Masarap, malinamnam, at kakaiba. Ganon. Simple.
Parang di bagay pag sa akin.
Bagay. Sige, panindigan mo.
Delicious. Exciting. Kung kaya ni Julia, kaya niya rin. If you know, you know. Want to cook Korean food at home? Mag one-pan pork Samgyupsal Bowl? A 10-minute Korean egg drop sandwich.